Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make an handkerchief flare bubble gown style. An handkerchief flare bubble gown style. You'll be needing your fabric 3 yards or more, depending on the size of the person that is going to wear it. Tailor's chalk, tape rule, and scissors. Fold your fabric into two. Fold it again into triangular form. Input your shoulder measurement as seen here. Input your armhole as seen here. Put your dress length as desired. Snap shoulder by 1 inch as seen here. Input your bust measurement on chest line and connect to hemline as seen here. Cut it out. Come up by the hair self by your desired length as seen. Connect to the CF as shown to form an handkerchief effect. Cut it out as seen here. Open it up and attach the sleeve. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.